of every area wherever they go. So simply, it's a mindset of every Indian. It became a mindset of every Indian that he wants to be center point of everywhere. So that's why he want to learn. He want to just uh, uh,
An Indian. Yes, it is very much important because the first reason, it is a global language. We can communicate easily through this language. This language make us a beautiful connection between us and with different people. And this is the official language of our country. After our mother tongue, it is created as an official language where even different states can communicate easily.
English has become more dominant in around the world day by day. And in some countries, English is the first language. English is the mother tongue. But in our country, English is the second language. For this reason, we can't communicate with each other. Like a Bengali person who lives in West Bengal, he can't communicate with Mumbai.
As you all know, English is a commonly used language in all over the world, and it is a common ground in which links Indians to the other parts of to the rest part of the world. Today, in this the competition. Sorry, sir, I got nervous actually.
Accepted globally to communicate, talk, writing in each and every form. We are using English, and many countries those have not accepted earlier English, now they have accepted. And now we are as an Indian, we have to accept the English. Otherwise, we can't compete with other country and other states, because I belong to Odisha. In India, many states are there. They have local language, they have mother tongue, but the mother tongue we cannot communicate to other state or other.
So yes, it is very important that we all are here today. So according to me, English has become a global language these days, or we can say that it dominates almost all languages. Today, no matter how many degrees you have, MBA, BTech, PhD, it's just a paper. If you don't know English and you don't communicate English in well, so
really important for us. Yeah. Now in this era, English is very important for us. Without English, we cannot move forward in as much as our capacity. If you want to grow in ourselves, you should know English. That is a very very necessary. Without English, you cannot move forward. You as much your capacity.
Previous speakers, I can understand a few points. Those are communication, as Avi said, center of attraction. People want to be in the center of attraction. As a student of psychology, I always try to go beyond the surface and go into the layer. Actually, why people want to learn English today? Actually, people want to communicate. Human beings are gregarious. They cannot live alone. They have...
As I'm a student of company secretary and as an accountant assistant, I saw many things in the office, and while studying books, everything in the books are right on the, everything is right in English on the books. And whenever I do the official work, everything is on English. Okay, sir. Then when
yes, definitely, because English is so important to the personal and private life, because I have many facing to the any place to, because I have not speaking English, I have some problem facing the, I have faced some problems then,
because English is not our mother tongue. It is a skill which we have to learn, and it is we learn from our childhood. In schooling, we are learn it in our syllabus. According to syllabus, we learn grammar and rapid reading, etc., etc. And for this reason, we are very comfortable to write and read in English, but we are not so much comfortable in speaking English, because
of that, the why English is so much important in our life. So we all know that English is a truly effective language in our life, and it is the international language. It can help us to communicate at every corner in our life. So we learn English language. There are a lot of advantage in our life. We can get the better job. We can improve our life. We can develop our higher education, and we can develop our business also. And one of the great thing is that we don't have the ability, maybe know all of the language in the world, but we all know that
just start now because my family, my sister, brother, and live in another abroad. So I did not talk with full proper English. Just I learn. I did in English Bengali medium school. Always I love to speak English.
For Indians, English is a universal language. For Indians, either in India or abroad, English has become a means of communication. It has become a necessity for communication. People who can speak English well, they have a very special place in the society. It is like everything. You know English, you conquer the world. This has become a new norm in the society.
Student in your class.
Okay.
Okay. Today our topic is why English important for Indian. Nowadays English is very important subject, and for myself I'm too much poor in this subject, and I want to speak English properly.
Why can I talking to English? So when I see my Facebook spoken English course offer from you, sir, then I shall be very happy this moment.
Is common all over the world. English is used as first language in some other countries. It will increase our ability to communicate all over the world and getting a job all over the world and abroad. I want to learn and speak English fluently.
So important for Indians. So first of all, if you speak English, you will get better career and salary. If you speak English, you will get better job and better life. So when we are going another countries, we should knowing how to communicate others. This is very important for us.
Yeah, knowing English is very important in India because nowadays English is used in many fields than any other language. And when we talk about importance of English for our professionals and students, if someone wants to success in his life, in his or her life, then it's very important to get a good job or success in his fields. Because I'm also a working professional. I'm working in the IT sector. I feel a lot of problem due to my English, because my English is not up to mark. That's why I'm feeling a lot of.
And English is very important as a language for Indians, not only Indians, for whole universe. If you want to become something in your life, so English is necessary for each and every person.
Their export and import businesses, and to be good in their export and import business, they have to be good in their relation with other countries. And to have a good relation, they need a communication, and that communication is English. So I hope we know that how importance of English is important for a developing nation like India. Now let's come to the job sector field. Like if a student want to work in abroad, they have to be good. It is must that he have to be good in English.